Having a clear plan complete with potential exit strategies before you buy your investment property is a must. Your plan will provide a roadmap should you decide to sell the property later to enjoy your investment gains or reinvest in something else. Here are some common exit strategies to consider. Option 1. Selling the property or a portion of the property. This involves selling the property or part ownership of a property once it has appreciated in value to the level where you want to cash out your investment. Option 2. Refinancing. You can choose to refinance the property through a lender to take advantage of lower interest rates, extract equity in order to buy more investments, or change the loan structure. Option 3. Fix and flip. This strategy involves purchasing a property below market value, making improvements, and selling quickly for a profit. It's popular in hot markets with high demand and limited inventory. It's advised, however, to have a few property acquisitions under your belt and a strong renovation team in place before attempting this strategy so you can be extra prepared. There are many things out of your control that can go wrong. Option 4. Long-term hold managed by a property manager. Holding a property for an extended period without having to do the day-to-day management allows you to benefit from rental income, property appreciation, and potential tax advantages without the headaches. This strategy is ideal for investors seeking steady cash flow and long-term wealth accumulation, but don't want to manage their own property anymore. And lastly, option 5. Partnership buyout, if applicable. If you co-own a property with other investors, a partnership buyout strategy enables one party to purchase the remaining shares and take full ownership of the property. This strategy is valuable when partners have different investment objectives or timelines. Remember to regularly evaluate and adjust your strategies based on market conditions and your investment goals.